Hiya Nutters, the last couple of weeks were intense. I lost an uncle that I deeply loved, and it's always sad to lose somebody that was such a major part of your past, in this case especially my childhood. A funeral is always bittersweet as it is a time to see all the good things of that person and how they affected everybody around them. In this case, my uncle was a wonderful and caring man with a very positive and impressive impact on everybody around him. After that, I had some physical hiccups, and suddenly I felt I was going into a downward spiral, feeling stuck. And even though I have nothing to worry about, as so many others in the world, that made me even add a dash of guilt. I mean, a lot of that, into my soup of thoughts and feelings. Losing my uncle made me go down the rabbit hole of what I should have done in the past and how things would have been now. I started to lose confidence at everything I do. I even started to say nasty things like I'm not successful enough. I didn't even make anything out of my life. As I told you before, I took care of my kids and didn't have a job outside my household. Even though I did a lot of other things, I never got financially independent. And that's always a big thing when I'm feeling low. So, still going down that nasty rabbit hole, I was adding on things that were not good in my life, and I started to feel even more useless and even more stuck. The point is that feeling stuck and feeling down and knowing you are so blessed is a very destructive feeling, as you don't acknowledge your own feelings and you deny them because you think you shouldn't feel that way. It makes everything worse. A nasty circle that keeps you going and you keep on feeling stuck, and that gets you even more stuck. I tried the positive thinking, but I didn't get a hang of it. I kept stuck in feeling stuck. And then suddenly it occurred to me. I don't need to try the fake positivity thing. I need to feel hopeful again. Somewhat, that made a big change. It gave me an opening. Because when you feel hopeful, you know you don't feel good right now, but it will get back. To feel hopeful, you don't diminish your own feelings, but you know they won't last forever. And even better, they will get back too. The good feelings, I mean. To feel hopeful, your creative flow will get ignited soon, even though it's not there right now, but you assure yourself it didn't die on you. So here I am, slowly crawling out. I even started a new YouTube channel. It's all about crochet and knitting, and I will add some slow fashion onto that as well, as I feel that's a good thing to talk about too. So I got myself back on track. I still feel a little bit down, and I don't feel like I got back into the hang of feeling okay, but I know everything will be okay. I will never be financially independent, but I have a wonderful family and husband. They love me and support me no matter what I come up with. That's what can keep me going. That can give me hope. Today's painting is all about that feeling of hope. Fall and early winter can feel so depressing, but we always know there will be Christmas soon, and there will be spring too. Our feelings are always going up and down, but when you are down, you must keep an eye on hope, because this will pass too. So if you like what I have to say, you can give me a thumbs up, and if you want to hear more, please follow me. I wish you a wonderful day, and I hope you will never lose your hope, because someday things will change. A big, big hug from me, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye for now.